Deputy Speaker of Nepal, Foreign Minister Sir Maldives, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon. It is indeed my great pleasure and honor to address the opening ceremony of 7th China-South Asia Cooperation Forum. On behalf of the government and the People's Republic of Bangladesh, I extend my sincere appreciation to Chinese government and the People's Government of Yunnan Province for the warm hospitality and for hosting this important event. I also convey my special thanks for honoring Bangladesh as the theme country of the 10th China-South Asia Exposition, which reflects the depth and warm friendship between our two nations. This forum, since its anticipation, has grown into one of the most important multilateral platforms for dialogue and cooperation between China and South Asian nations. It brings together government, business, civil society to build a shared understanding and translate goodwill into practical outcomes. The theme of the day is strengthen cooperative partnership for a community with a shared future with neighboring countries. It's precisely what our region needs today. We believe this forum can serve as a vital complement to existing regional frameworks, helping to build the economic connectivity, institutional trust, and practical cooperation in South Asia are key needs today. Excellencies, Bangladesh and China share a deep and enduring friendship. It was Shahid President Ziaur Rahman who was the architect of independent foreign policy of Bangladesh. Under his leadership, diplomatic relationship was established between Bangladesh and China. He visited China in 1977 and again in 1980, laying the political and economic foundations of our two nations. He believed that prosperity of Bangladesh was inseparable from strong partnership in Asia, and of course, China was central to that vision. Late Prime Minister Begum Khaleda Zia further strengthened this friendship through her landmark visits to China in 1991 and 2002. We proudly carry out that legacy forward today, and it is that same spirit of friendship and partnership that brings this delegation to Kunming. Bangladesh recently underwent a historical democratic transition. After years of autocratic regime and rule, the people of Bangladesh delivered a clear mandate for a change through a free and fair election. Our new government, led by Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Tariq Rahman, is guided by the vision Bangladesh First. An independent, balanced, and sovereign foreign policy that places the welfare of our people above all everything, while building strong, mutual, respectful partnership with all nations. We believe that a stable, democratic Bangladesh is a force for stability and development across the region.
是衷心感谢。中国同南亚山水相连，命运相系，文化相通，友好历史源远流长。面对此起彼伏的地缘冲突和经济逆全球化风险，中国同南亚国家始终坚持和平共处五项原则，深化友好互信，拓展利益交汇，携手应对风险挑战。